Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you the game Road Redemption. I'm gonna play it on PC, but it's also possible to play it with controller on PC or even for PlayStation. You can start campaigns as you can see here and unlock the next campaigns, or you just use the classic quick play mode as I do now. So here you can select the bike and the rider. You can choose up to 4 people who can play with you together, co-op, but not online. It's only locally. It means you can use different monitors to play on the same PC. So for example, if I have another controller or I have my mouse and keyboard, my friend can play with his controller at the same time. But I'm going back to single mode because I'm alone right now. With the arrow keys I can choose the bike I want. And I'm also choosing the biker. So after that you can choose a map. There are many nice maps. I'm gonna choose this one. After some loading time we are finally here to start the game. Wait for the countdown to end and then you can press the up arrow to accelerate and of course right and left for driving right and left. If you click on the right mouse button, you can hit the enemies on the right side, and if you click on the left mouse button, you can hit the enemies on the left side. As you can see, I'm using Nitro, and this is possible if I double tap on the up arrow key. Let's hit a few enemies. This enemy was on the right side and this also, so I'm pressing the right mouse button. Now you can see I have some enemies on the left side, so I'm pressing the left mouse button. To make a sharp turn or kind of drifting, I'm just pressing on the arrow key to the direction I want to, and at the same time I'm pressing the space button on the keyboard. You can also push the enemies away, as you can see here. If I press Ctrl on my keyboard, no matter which side the enemy is, he will be kicked if I get him. Be careful on the cars who are driving by, because if they hit you, you must be respawned as you can see here, and you will lose a lot of time. On the right bottom side of the screen you can see that you can also change between your weapons. For example, I can choose between the knife or sword and the pipe tube here. All I need to do is pressing 1 or 2 on the keyboard and then he will switch it. If you press the shift button on your keyboard, you can see that the biker is making a defending move. So if somebody tries to hit you, you will defend yourself. So this is basically how you play this game. Try to be the first person who crosses the finish line and hit as many enemies as you can to make a lot of points. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.